Welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to send a SMS message and create a subscriber in Mailchimp for new webhook responses automatically. So guys, if you're looking for improving your subscriber management process and want to keep your subscribers updated and in loop, then this video is for you. Here I'm going to show you how you can use Webhook by Pabbly feature of Pabbly Connect to get the data of your subscribers from any external application, and then how automatically you can get a subscriber created in Mailchimp's email list and send a SMS message to the subscriber via ClickSend application. For that, we are going to integrate these applications and we are going to set up this whole automation without any coding, just by a few clicks. So if you want to learn this, stay tuned. Let's begin. To set up the workflow of our automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool. And to reach this page, guys, you can use the link I have pasted in the description. And from here, you can sign up for free and you'll get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automation. So guys, sign up right now from the given link and then sign in to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, guys, click on this create workflow button. Here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me provide a name here. So here I have given this name and here I am clicking on create button and you can see the workflow page started loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, which are the trigger and the actions. So guys, trigger is that event which starts the workflow and the actions are the automated responses of the trigger. In our use case, guys, getting the details of subscriber from any application is going to trigger this workflow, and the actions would be to send a SMS and create the subscriber in Mailchimp automatically. Okay, so when you click here, you will find this choose app field. Here you have to choose this Webhook by Pabbly feature. So when you select Webhook, it will provide you this Webhook URL. So with the help of this URL, you can get the data from any external application to here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. So you just have to copy this Webhook URL and add it inside that application from where you want to get the data. Here I have taken the example of Jot form. Okay, so you just have to copy this Webhook URL and it will start showing waiting for the response of this connection. So once you are done creating the connection, you can bring the data here in the response section. So let me open the Jot form application. This is it. And here I'm using this contact form to receive the details of subscribers. So here I'm going to click on this more option. And from here, I'm going to open the form settings. Under the form settings page, you will find this integrations tab right here on the left hand side panel. Open it. And guys, here you will find this search bar. Here you have to search for webhooks. Okay, here you can see webhooks. Select this and here it will ask you to provide a Webhook URL to send the data. So erase this field and paste the URL that you got from your workflow like this. Okay, then click on complete integration. You can see it started showing the integration is ready. That means we are successfully connected with Jot form. Now you can click on finish and publish this form. Okay, so this is the link of the form. Let me open it in the new tab. This is the form I have created and here you can see, guys, it's still listening for the response. So now what we can do, we can perform a test submission. Test submission means now I am going to fill the form by myself just to test or set up this workflow. I'm going to fill the form with some sample details. So let's say the name of the person is sample only. The first name is sample, last name is name. Okay, here let me put the email address as this. So guys, I have filled the form like this, okay, using some sample data, and here I'm clicking on this submit button, and as you can see the form is submitted. And let's check in our workflow if we got the data, and here you can see, guys, we have received the data instantly here in the response section. And in this response you will find the details of the submission as well. You can see the name of the person, sample name, this is the email address, this is the number, the company name. These are the things we have filled and we got it here in the response. So this is how you can get the data from any external application using Webhook by Pabbly. Okay. Now guys, after getting the response, what we want to add this person whose data we got as a subscriber in Mailchimp. So in this action window, I'm going to connect with Mailchimp application. Just find it here. This is Mailchimp. Okay. And here we are going to use the action event as add a new member with custom fields. Okay. Now click on connect button. From here select add new connection option, and here it will ask you to provide the token key and the data center name of Mailchimp account. So guys, when you open your Mailchimp account, this is my Mailchimp account, you can see in the top search bar it is showing this URL us6.admin.mailchimp.com. So this us6 is the data center's name. Your data center name can be different. So before this .admin.mailchimp.com, this part will act as a data center. So you just have to copy this and paste it here in the data center field here like this. Okay. And for the token, you just have to open this, click on this profile icon. From here, open this profile section. Under the profile page, guys, you will find this extras tab. Click on it and then click on API keys option. And here on this page, you will get your key. When you scroll down here, you can see these are all the keys I have generated. You can also generate these kind of keys by clicking on this create a key button. Okay, so click on create a key. Here you can provide any name to this key. So I'm going to provide a name, let's say subscribers. Then click on generate key, and here's how the key will be generated. Just copy the key and paste it here like this and click on save, and you will be connected with Mailchimp account. Okay. And here it started asking for selecting the list that you have in Mailchimp. So I have only one list here named as Pabbly Connect, and here you can see the list is auto populated here. Okay, because I have only one list. And here it started asking to enter the email address of the person, select the subscription status, provide tags if you want. Here you can provide the first name, last name, and the mobile number. So let me just map these things from the previous trigger step. So guys, we have received these labels. So I'm going to map the labels here. So just click here and the previous step will appear like this in the drop down. And when you click on it, you will find the data right here. So from here, just click on this email label to map the email address. Then you have to click on the first name field, then map the first name, then the last name. Here's the last name, and if you have the mobile number, you can map the mobile number as well. Okay, right. And by clicking on the save and send test request button, you can check your connection with your Mailchimp account, and the details that you have mapped will be added here inside your contacts section. These are my contacts right now. I think I have 5 contacts. Okay, let me just click on save and send test request button and see if we got a new contact added in my subscribers list. So here you can see, guys, we have received this response, and here it started showing a new ID of subscriber. That means we got a new subscriber here. Let me just refresh this page, and here you can see we got another subscriber added, the 6th one, and the name of the person is sample name. This is the number, this is the email address. These are the same details I have mapped here. Okay, sample name, and it got added here. So our connection is working fine. And finally, I want to send a SMS message to the subscriber. For that, add one more action window by clicking on this plus icon. And to send a SMS message, I am using Click Send application. So Click Send is a SMS sending service provider where you can send postcards as well and the SMS as well. So I am selecting send SMS option. Then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, and here it will ask you to provide the username of ClickSend application and the API key. For that, you can open ClickSend account, and from the developers menu, you can see these things. Let me show you my ClickSend dashboard. This is it. So this is my ClickSend dashboard, and here you can see I have this developers option on the left hand side panel. From here, click on this API credentials, and here you can see this is my username. So I'm just going to copy the username. Okay, and I have pasted it here, and here I have clicked on save, and you can see we are now connected. And then it will ask you to provide the number on which you want to send the SMS. Here you can write your name or your company's name on the behalf of which you are sending the SMS. Here you can type the SMS that you receive that you want to send. So first of all, let me map the number from the trigger step. Here you can see I have received the number, map it like this. Okay, and the format would be the international format. That means a plus sign should be there and the country code as well. So just put plus sign manually if you don't got it, and put the country code like this. 91 is for India. You can enter yours. Here guys, let me type my name. I am sending this message. Okay, and here in the message, let me type a message that I want to send. So guys, I have written this small message. You can see, hey there, thanks for signing up. We have received your details via form submission, and the details received are as follows. So here guys, I am going to map the details I have received from the form submission so that the subscriber can check if we have furnished the right details. So here you just have to click after this name word, and you can see the previous step is. So here you just can click on this on in front of this name word, and here you can see the previous steps are appearing like this. So from the trigger only you can map the name of the person to whom we are sending the SMS. Okay, so I have mapped the full name. Similarly, you can map the email address and the company name. Okay, so guys, when you map the labels like this, what will happen in real time whenever this workflow is going to trigger, whenever you are going to receive the webhook's response and the workflow is going to trigger, the labels will be updated and new data in the new SMS will be sent automatically. That's why it is necessary to map the labels here. Right, now we can test our connection with ClickSend by clicking on Save and Send Test Request button, and this SMS will be sent to this number that you have entered here. But this is not a real number, so I'm going to place my number here just to show you the demo, and I'm going to show you how the message will appear. So guys, I have clicked on Save and Send Test Request, and this is the response we have received. And let's check in our let me show you here. Here you can see guys, this is the message I have received on my phone. Hey there, thanks for signing up. We have received your details via form submission. The details received are as follows. Sample name, MB is the company, and this is the same SMS I have written here that I have received on my phone. So this is how it is going to work guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, it is going to trigger automatically according to your webhook response and send SMS and add a subscriber in Mailchimp. And guys, I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.